Looking for a lightweight vacuum with powerful everyday cleaning? The Eureka AirSpeed NEU10AE5 delivers strong suction, easy maneuverability, and hassle-free cleaning for carpets and hard floors.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Eureka AirSpeed NEU10AE5 upright vacuum, crevice tool, dusting brush, vacuum hose, handle,
And user manual.
How to use? Using the Eureka AirSpeed NEU10AE5 is simple. Choose the appropriate cleaning attachment or floor nozzle, plug in the vacuum, release the handle, and press the power button to start cleaning. Glide it smoothly across carpets or hard floors and use the included attachments for sofas, stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around obstacles and carry between rooms for convenient whole-home cleaning. When you're done, empty the Bagless dust cup with a single click, clean the washable filter as needed, and reattach everything so the vacuum is ready for the next use.
Smart features?
Delivers strong, consistent suction to effectively pick up dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. It provides reliable everyday cleaning performance, helping leave multiple floor surfaces cleaner with fewer passes. Weighing just around 7.7 pounds, the vacuum is easy to carry, push, and maneuver around furniture or between rooms. Its lightweight build also makes cleaning stairs and storing the vacuum much more convenient. The quick-release handle lets you switch from floor cleaning to above-floor tasks in seconds. Combined with the included attachments, it makes it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, furniture, curtains, and other hard-to-reach areas. The spacious Bagless dust cup holds more dirt and debris, reducing how often it needs to be emptied during cleaning. Its one-button release design makes disposal quick, easy, and mess-free. The reusable washable filter helps maintain strong suction while reducing the need for frequent replacements. Simply rinse, let it dry completely, and reinstall it for continued cleaning performance. The slim, compact design makes the vacuum easy to store in closets, corners, or other small spaces. Its space-saving build is ideal for apartments, dorms, and homes with limited storage.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Eureka AirSpeed NEU10AE5 upright vacuum from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eureka AirSpeed NEU10AE5 upright vacuum. See you at the next one.